Okay. Number 2 is right there. Undefined. Does not exist. No way. Doesn't work. Unsupported. What? Sure. That's fine. Okay. Number 4 is right there. Ooh. 4 and 6 and 8. Where are you confused, girly?
I just did math wrong.
Good job. We're so proud.
Like I did it right, I just...
Didn't? Okay. Number 10 is right there.
Wait, what? Why did you skip to 10?
We did 4, 6, and 8. They were all on the screen, like all at the same time, right there. Oh. 4, 6, 8. There they are. It's 2 times negative 6 plus negative 2 times 1.
What?
Row by column.
What I did is I just
okay.
All
All right, so number 12A is over here somewhere. There it is. Number 12A looks like that. Number 12B is $22,955. Number 12B is $22,955. No, that's 12A. We went through how many?
28.
Okay. Let me turn the page. Oh wait, 14 is also on this page. 14 is somewhere. Oh wow, there's.
Why do you have that?
Because that was from youth yesterday.
It was a street pilot.
With penguin table? It's sting punch.
It was the obstacle.
It was a youth picture that may end up on Instagram.
I did
Who
something
knows?
wrong, but I got it right.
Okay. 14 is yes, because all that stuff.
Like I got different answers, but I got
You got yes.
Equal.
Okay. So you didn't get it right, but you got something right. Okay. All right. So look, internet, there they are.
Yay, look at me.
The back of people's heads. It's great.
What was the side of mine?
I looked directly.
Look direct. Oop.
Oh.
Number 22 is right there.
Are we on like 16?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, just kidding. 16 is a 5 by 5. 18 is a 2 by 3, and 20 is a 5 by 4. And then like I said, 22 is right there. And 24 and 26 and 28 are all right there. All right, what questions do we have, kids?
2.
I have all the questions that I have. 14 and 2 are the things that I heard about. 2?
I'm pretty sure all I did was just add the numbers.
No, it doesn't work.
You don't add the numbers.
4. I meant 4.
I was like,
Okay, 4 makes more sense. I was confused. Okay, 4 and 14, is that what you said? Okay.
I just saw that I also wrote down 26, so we just like yes, 2.
Look, internet, there they are again. Okay, back to math. Gotta get some views on the video somehow.
You gotta make clickbait titles.
Gotta make clickbait titles. Yeah, where is Nathan? Speaking of clickbait titles. Yes, I did. Okay, number 4. We're supposed to multiply. Yep.
Exactly how you say it.
That's how I said it. 2, 1, Positive 7, negative 5 times negative 6, 3, negative 2. I will move in a second. It's just, and you also have it like
also
right
on your
there, wherever it's for. OMG. OMG.
No, don't do that.
Okay. So, what do we do?
Multiply 2 and add 2 and 6.
So we go row by column, right?
Oh, that's what I did.
What did you do, column by row?
Okay. So 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. And 1 times negative 2 is negative 2.
Then you do
And then,
row by row.
yeah, we keep on going until we've done all those columns. So row by column.
Can you do it in your head? Like the addition?
You could if you want to live dangerously.
I like living in it.
Okay. So 2 times 3 is 6.
Added.
Plus 1 times negative 4.
Oh, we're not adding it. We're multiplying it.
Right? And then, what are we going to do?
The next row by the first column.
Yeah, this one, these one. So 7 times negative 6 is negative something, negative 42. No. Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
It's 49.
Yeah, because 7 plus 35 is 42. Okay. Plus negative 5 times negative 2, which is 10.
That's a 5? I thought it was a 3.
That does look,
It's in your book! OMG.
it does look like a 3 though. You have to.
It does not look like a 3. 3s don't have little tails like that.
Well, it just looks like
looks
a
like
really
you give it a
sloppy,
butt.
pointy one.
Nobody in their right mind is going to draw a 3 like
You're not in your right mind. then.
like you'd have to have effort to make that mistake.
No, it looks like you did the pointy thing and then the lump.
So I was trying to draw a fancy schmancy 3. Is that what you're trying to say? And
Fail.
so I was making effort to make a fancy 3, and it doesn't make any sense. Make it make sense.
Oh, in what world does a 5 looks like a question mark with a line on top of it?
That would be an upside down question mark. So again, it doesn't work. This is not Spanish class. We don't have upside down question marks. We speak English today.
But what if I don't?
Well, get over it.
21 and 20.
21 plus positive 20. So the final answer is negative 14 to
You do something in your.
negative 32, 41.
Why is it all lumpy?
Because it wanted to be.
Okay, so just what I did is I forgot a negative sign. On a
Okay,
couple of-
great. 14.
Sean,
When?
why didn't you make the video?
I know.
I did.
We're all disappointed.
That was you?
No.
I was like, what?
You divorced me.
That's right. And I have a whole nother YouTube channel called Organic Chemistry Tutor. Because I know organic chemistry. I'd love me some organic chemistry. Love it. I don't think life sciences is as dumb.
Life sciences? That's
Why did I give you somebody else's video? Because I decided to give you a 14-minute video instead of a 45-minute video.
17 minutes.
Because the only video I have on this topic was from a class.
oh no.
So you didn't make a video.
That's right.
You're lazy.
You did.
I did. It was just a class video.
lied.
It wasn't a
I'm
video.
doing
Correct.
Get your own paper.
It wasn't the correct video. Okay.
I'm laughing at you for.
What is the actual question about 14?
Why?
Like, you made a mistake and there's something that was an error and you got it wrong, or you don't know how to do it?
I didn't know how to.
Okay, that's what I was drilling to. Okay, great.
I had an idea, but
Okay, okay. All right, so number 14, we're supposed to try to see whether x times y times z is the same as x times y times z, right? Trying to see whether in this particular problem at least, we can do the associative property and it comes out the same, right? So the first thing we're going to do is multiply y times z. So y is negative 5, 6,
How did we know
negative
it's
1.
-5?
Because I can read. What about you?
Up here is what it says to use. X equals y, z equals y.
She got this.
I see.
And times z, which is negative 5. Excuse me. Negative 1, negative 8, and negative 4. So we get 25 plus 48 negative, right?
Why can't you just say minus?
What's the next one going to be?
87 times 32.
5 times negative 1 is 5. Plus a negative.
Plus a negative doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
You literally have to add 3 more things when you could just do one little line.
Cálmate, chiquita. Cálmate. Lovely growl. I appreciate the sentiment. 5 times, no, 5 plus negative 72. I do this. Here's the deal. You're paying close attention? Because if I don't say plus a negative, then later on a quiz or a test, somebody, or possibly multiple somebodies, is gonna forget and think that you subtract instead of add. So that's why I say it that way. To like answer your question seriously. And then negative 1 times negative 1 is 1 plus, and then negative 36.
I'm just gonna write negative 36. I'm not going to do plus minus.
Okay, as long as you don't make mistakes on the test, we're great. Otherwise, you're fired.
Good thing.
Negative 23, negative 19. Negative 67, negative 35. And then we'd have to multiply this on the right side
What?
times x.
What? So annoying.
We just did this part.
So now we have to do the other part?
Yeah, we have to do this times x. What do you mean, what?
No.
It's annoying.
That's
And
fine.
we have to do the other side too?
Yep.
I figured out what I was messing up on all.
Yeah.
Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My idea was right. I just
Didn't want to do it.
somewhere.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I just didn't understand. I didn't realize we had
I
more
figured-
letters.
Figured out how I got.
I didn't see
I was
this. I'm
multiplying.
blind.
So like on
This is why
the
you read the
top one,
I read it.
I was
like,
doing
yes,
negative
for that
5
problem.
times
I do
negative
this,
5, of
and
course.
I see
Then
it works.
plus negative 5 times negative 8 and 6 times.
Oh, yeah.
And so.
I see. You're adding some weird extra bits in there. What other questions from this lesson, kiddos?
Can we do 26?
Yeah.
Yes, 26.
Yes.
And then 10 after that.
Oh, yeah, let's do 26. It's easy. Okay.
What?
Yeah, it is.
What?
Yeah.
That makes actually sense. It's a 2 by 1.
But how do you do it?
You do.
Let's
You do math.
see.
Times all that by that one, maybe, and times
Oh, I get it. I was just being slow.
question mark. I don't know how to do it, but I have it here.
6, 4, negative 9. And then 2, 8, 7, 8, 7. times 2, 4. No, 7, 2, 4.
7, 2,
So we're multiplying a 2 by 3 times a 3 by 1, so it's possible we're going to end up with a 2 by 1 and when we finish, right?
It's two numbers.
Mm-hmm.
So we're just gonna multiply this.
So we're going to do
by the one and then the bottom.
this times these one,
Oh.
row by column, yeah? So negative 6,
I just keep mixing up the columns and rows, so I was like 2 and
rows, columns. Negative 6 times 7 is negative 42 plus 4 times 2 is 8 plus 9 times negative 9, so it's negative 36. And then we're done with that column, so we go to the next row, row by column.
Why'd you hold the marker like that?
Because it ended up that way.
Got it.
14.
14, 16, and 28.
Wow. 28 plus.
I understand.
Good. So negative 36 plus negative 36 is negative 72. Wow.
58. 58 should be
What
fine.
is that? That's an old me.
30, 58.
You should fix the other side,
No.
or else the problem.
Yay.
Okay.
Made it work.
Okay. All right. Any other questions from this lesson?
Okay, so I completely understand what we're supposed to do, but every time I look at them, they get all fuzzy and
Number 10,
Okay.
Number 10.
please.
Big fat head.
Number
I
10.
think he probably just made a mistake, but we can do it anyway.
Number 10. Number 10.
she just died. She just wasn't able to. Her incompetence. Poor problem.
Died in my head.
Multiply that by that.
I know what I was supposed to do.
So then why do we need to do it if
You don't need to do it anymore.
Okay.
She understands now.
What other questions do we have then?
My brain,
My brain, it's melting.
it always
This
melts.
stuff is not good for people with dyslexia.
Or anything with the Lexia.
How big are the ones that are
The
going to
less,
get?
yeah.
What?
How big are they going to get? Like how big of when I was little, I used to think
So just the multiplication ones are, I mean, they're whatever, but we're also going to use this to solve systems.
I mean, it's going to hurt. Especially when you try to do both sides.
Okay, no other questions?
No.
We should do a quiz,
Okay.
and then maybe we'll do some more math. That sounds fun.
Can we leave after the quiz?
No,
Why?
because I said so.
John, guess what's today?
Happy birthday.
Thursday. No. It's the bonfire.
The bonfire.
The bonfire.
What bonfire?
For homecoming. Are you going tomorrow?
Why would I go to homecoming?
There's
I don't
no
know.
You're a teenager at heart.
and in your head.
Yes. So these next.
At the homeschool homecoming, do they do like homecoming king and queen and all that nonsense?
I don't even know.
Like why? Doesn't make any sense.
At the public school homecoming, they don't even do a dance. They just watch a dance.
Well, why do they have
Like
that
those
in
weird,
Disney?
like, mom.
What?
Why do they have it at public school?
Because they think popularity contests are cool. But it makes even less sense in homeschooling because like nobody knows any of these people. It's like, who are you gonna vote for? Nobody knows. Who the heck cares?
I'll vote for you.
You should vote for me, for homecoming
Yes.
queen.
Yes. I
Write-in
will.
ballot.
I will vote for you too.
If y'all make me get homecoming queen and get to wear a tiara, I will come.
Yes.
Next year, that's the goal.
You gotta come in pajamas.
Yeah.
See what's better.
No, and driving the Prius.
Yes. We should convince.
We got this.
There's no way you're gonna convince any of the people that are in charge of the nonsense that is homeschool homecoming to do anything like that. There's no way. Because they take that kind of stuff. I don't even know who they are. This is a vague they. But I'll guarantee you they take it way too seriously.
I don't know why though.
But maybe we can.
We're a bunch of nerds dancing.
Maybe we can sign up.
There are plenty of not nerdy homeschoolers.
Okay, but they're still homeschooled, so like. See? If you're not nerdy in one way, you're nerdy in the other way.
Well, that's true pretty much like the entire
That's
world
four.
these days.
So what?
2 of them, you just look at it and write the answer. So, get over it.